turned to an eating channel, which I wouldn't mind. I do always enjoy eating. Well, happy Saturday. Got 3 events for work today, so one starts in the next 15-ish minutes, so have a quick little breakfast, get set up at the computer, watch the first wave, check in and get some videos done. And then once that happens, I would like to go to the gym. We'll kind of see how the day pans out, but definitely get outside while it's still a little bit cooler before it gets absolutely steaming hot out there. So let's get it. Happy Saturday, and enjoy a little breakfast. Make a little something. Not bad. Not bad at all. Watch a little Formula 1. Got Formula 1 in Belgium this weekend. I've done a terrible job of keeping up, but I'm gonna do a better job. I just gotta like put it on a calendar or something. Let's go.
I was going to record it, but I was trying to get out of my apartment today. I live on the 4th floor and the elevator was down, so I was hawking my bike down 4 flights of stairs in the 1,000 degree heat in Denver, Colorado. So I was going to record it, but the beautiful bike ride was much more scenic and probably welcoming. So at Union Station, this building's awesome. I don't know why I don't come down here more to work, but it's a great place. It's usually pretty quiet, but just enough entertainment to keep you busy, so that's good. So gonna knock out some work here, very central location to where our teams are gonna be today if anybody needs anything. So yeah, should be a good little day. Get a lot of work done, which will be good for Saturday. Like I said, weekends are a great time to work. Get stuff done, no one's bothering you, so it's great. So here we go, let's get it.